Good day, everyone. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is my second day of the technical analysis challenge, and today I will also be doing a top-down analysis from the daily time frame to the 4-hour time frame on USD JPY. Let's get started. On the daily time frame, we can see that the market is moving in an uptrend, and price is trying to form a W pattern. Without further delay, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we can boldly see a rejection candle, which is a doji candle. That means price will reject to the upside, and our first take profit will be 108.000, and second take profit will be 109.3000. That's my bias on USD JPY. Thanks for listening. Stay blessed. I'm signing out.